Hi, what's up guys? So welcome to KTX, and in this video we're gonna know how to fix this issue, like your PC settings only let install verified apps from store. So this error we are getting for a while. So I have a fix for that. So if you're installing any other app other than other than from your store of your Windows store, so I have a fix for that. So just go, like, you'll get this error. So I was trying to install BlueStacks and I'm keep on getting this error. Okay, your PC settings only let it install verified apps from store. So here's how to fix it. It's very simple guys. Go to open settings and installing apps, so you can see that. So click on here, allow apps from anywhere. Okay, and that's it. And let's find it out the metric is working or not, the way we have installed it. Yeah, so there we go guys, it's working fine. So you can go ahead and install it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like it and do subscribe to my channel for more awesome content in this channel, because I will upload a video every week, and which might help you in every daily thing. That's it guys, thank you for watching my videos. See you, bye bye.